focusing on how to multiply multiple digit numbers by other multiple digit numbers using the standard method, or in other words, called the shortcut method. We're going to do one 2-digit by 2-digit and one 3-digit by 3-digit. I've been telling the kids before they start a problem like this to rewrite their multiplier, which is if you have two numbers in a multiplication problem, the bottom one I call your multiplier. Rewrite your multiplier in standard form next to it. So 20 plus 7. And the reason is I need them to realize, and you to realize if you're a kid watching this, that this stands for 20, not 2. That is really important later on after we get through the first step. So to do this, we start off by going one digit at a time. So we go to our ones place, which is at 7 in our multiplier, and multiply that by the numbers on the top. So first we do 7 times 3, which is 21. And as always, you bring down your ones place, carry your tens place. And then you do this here times this number. 7 times 6, which is 42, plus this 2 gives us 44 altogether. The cool thing about using line paper like this and turning it sideways is you can keep your numbers in place value, so they're all nice and neat. Now we use this 7. Now we're done with it. Now we're going to go to that 2. But let's go back over here. It's not really 2, it's worth 20. And anything times 20 is 10 times bigger than multiplying by 2. So we're going to start with this 1, 0. We see 1, 0 right there in 20. There's 1, 0, and 20. So we're going to start our next row with 1, 0. So there's 1, 0 there. We're going to put 1, 0 there. Now we just do it normal. I'm going to get rid of this so I don't confuse myself later on. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. And again, line paper, I get nice, neat place values. So I'm going to have 1 plus 0 is 1. 4 plus 6 is 10. Carry my 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 2 is 7. And then my 1. So 63 times 27 is 1,701. Now let's do one we have 3 digits by 3 digits. There it is. So before I start, I'm going to rewrite this number in expanded form. So that 1 is really worth, if I read out loud, 125. That 1 is worth 100. That 2 is worth 20. And that 5 is just worth 5. So now I can start my problem. So I'm going to start with my 1s first, and then move my way over. 5 times 4, 5 times 3, 5 times 8. Then 2 times 4, 2 times 3, 2 times 8. And then 1 times 4, 1 times 3, 1 times 8. And go in order. So we'll start with this 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry my 2. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 2 is 17. Bring my 1's place. Carry my 10's place. 5 times 8 is 40. Plus 1 is 41. I'm going to get rid of these carries because I don't need them anymore. And now I'm going to do this 2. But this 2 is worth 20. And 20 has 1, 0. So I'm going to start with 1, 0. Then we're going to go. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 8 is 16. Now we're going over to this 1. This 1 is really worth 100, and 100 has 2 zeros. So I need to start with 2 zeros. So I'm doing 100 times bigger than that 1, not just 1. So 2 zeros got to start. 2 zeros there, 2 zeros there. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 8 is 8. Now look at how neat my place values are. All my digits are in the same place value. It's not sloppy and crooked. I always tell my kids, neat math is correct math. And if your kid listen to this, neat math becomes correct math. Sloppy math becomes wrong math. So 0, 0, 0 because it's 0. 7 plus 8 is 15. Carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 6 is 8. Plus 4 is 12. Bring down my 2. Carry my 1. See, 4 plus 6 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. Plus 3 is 14. Carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 8 is 10. And then, my little comma here, I have 104,250. So 834 times 125, so 104,250. This is how to do the standard shortcut method. Always write your numbers in expanded form, at least your multiplier on the bottom, in expanded form so you can see your zeros. Again, 5, no zeros. I started with no zeros. That 0 came from doing 5 times 4 and bringing on that 0 and 20. 20 had 1 0, so I started with 1 0. 100 had 2 zeros, so I started with 2 zeros. And that'll help you out immensely when you do this. All right, good luck.